Hey there, crochet lovers! Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this adorable rosebud flower keychain. It's super quick and easy, perfect for beginners, and it makes such a thoughtful handmade gift. Want to follow along with a written pattern? You can find all the detailed step-by-step instructions on my website. You can use any color combo you love and adjust the size to your liking. Make it yours. If you're excited to start, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me keep creating content for you. For this project, I'll be using Gazzal Baby Cotton yarn. It's super soft and works up beautifully. And I'm using a 2.20mm crochet hook for this project. If you're excited to crochet along, show some love by subscribing. Liking the video and dropping a comment with your thoughts also helps a lot. Thank you. Okay, let's jump right in and crochet this adorable rosebud keychain together. Let's kick things off by making a magic ring. Now chain 2. Into the center of the ring, work 1 double crochet. Continue adding double crochets into the ring until you have a total of 14 double crochets, including that first chain 2 we made at the beginning. And don't forget to let me know in the comments how your keychain is coming along. Once you have your 14 double crochets, gently pull the tail to close the magic ring. Then, make a slip stitch into the top of the first chain to join and finish the round. For round 2, start by chaining 2. In the same stitch where you just made the slip stitch, work 1 double crochet. Next, work 2 double crochets into the top of the very next stitch. Keep going around your circle, making 2 double crochets into each stitch from the previous round. You should end up with a total of 28 double crochets by the end of this round. To finish the round, slip stitch into the top of the first chain you made at the beginning. Round 2 is done. For round 3, chain 2. Make a double crochet in the same stitch where you made the slip stitch. Now, in the next stitch, make just 1 double crochet. In the stitch after that, make 2 double crochets. In the next stitch, make just 1 double crochet. In the stitch after that, make 2 double crochets. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another fun crochet tutorial. Keep repeating this pattern, 2 double crochets, then 1 double crochet, all the way around. By the end of this round, you should have a total of 42 double crochets. Once you're at the end of the round, join with a slip stitch to the top of the first chain. For the 4th round, chain 2. Make a double crochet in the same stitch. Then, in each of the next 2 stitches, make 1 double crochet, so 2 double crochets side by side. In the stitch after those, make 2 double crochets together in the same stitch. Next, again, make 2 double crochets side by side, 1 in each of the next 2 stitches. If you're loving this project, make sure to hit that like button. It really encourages me. And then, in the following stitch, make 2 double crochets. Repeat this pattern around the circle, 2 double crochets into 1 stitch, then 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. You'll end of the round, you should have a total of 56 double crochets. Once you reach the end of the round, make a slip stitch into the top of the first chain to close it off. Then, chain 1 and cut your yarn. We're going to switch to a new color. This part is totally up to you, but I'm using either light or dark lilac to add a beautiful contrast. into the top of any double crochet stitch from the previous round. Now for round 5, chain 1. Make a slip stitch in the next stitch. Chain 1 again, then a slip stitch in the next stitch. Repeat this pattern, chain 1, slip stitch, all the way around to the end of the round. When you reach the last stitch, make your final slip stitch and then chain 1. Now go ahead and cut your yarn. We'll finish off with a neat invisible join to keep it clean and tidy. If you want a fuller look, you can add one more round of chain and slip stitches. Using the color you used for the first 4 rounds, we're now going to give our circle that lovely rose look. Start rolling the crocheted piece inwards, towards the center, making a spiral. Do not roll it too tightly. You want it to look natural and full like a blooming rose. Once you have a nice rose shape, take a piece of yarn and tie it securely at the base, right where the magic ring is. Make sure it's tied tightly to hold the shape well. After you've secured the roll, you might notice a little gap at the bottom or top. Gently pull this outwards to neaten the base of your rose. Isn't it amazing how a flat circle turns into a rose? It's starting to look so realistic and pretty already. And just like that, we've given our crocheted circle a beautiful rosebud appearance. Now, let's move on to the leaves. We'll use green yarn for this part to really bring our rose keychain to life. Chain 2. Into the center of the magic ring, work double crochets. Aim for a total of 20 double crochets, including the chain 2. Once you have 20 double crochets, pull the tail of the magic ring to tighten it up. Finish the round by slip stitching into the top of the first chain. Let's make our first leaf. Chain 9. Now insert your hook into the second and third chains from the hook, yarn over, and pull up a loop. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. In the next 2 chains, make 2 half double crochets, 1 in each chain, side by side. Following that, make 2 double crochets side by side in the next 2 chains. And finally, make 2 treble crochets side by side in the last 2 chains. You should now have a nice tapered leaf shape. After the slip stitch from the previous round, skip 3 stitches and make a slip stitch to attach your first leaf petal. That's your first leaf petal complete. For the second leaf petal, chain 9 again. Repeat exactly the same steps as you did for the first leaf petal. Again, starting from the second chain from hook, insert your hook into the second and third chain. Pull up a loop in each, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops to make a cluster. Continue with 2 half double crochets side by side, then 2 double crochets, and then 2 treble crochets in the following chains, just like before. After the last treble crochet, skip 3 stitches from the base circle and make a slip stitch to attach this second leaf petal. For the third leaf petal, chain 9 once more and repeat all the same steps. We're going to make a total of 5 leaves all together. After you've finished making your 5th leaf petal, skip 3 stitches and make a slip stitch into the top of the very first slip stitch you made to join the first petal. Chain 1, and now leave a yarn tail that's long enough to attach your keychain clip. Then, cut the yarn. Let's weave in this yarn tail on the back to hide it neatly. Don't forget to share this video with all your crafty friends who would love to make this adorable keychain. Thread your yarn tail through your tapestry needle. Bring the needle up through the magic ring opening at the center top of the leaves. For a detailed written pattern and step-by-step photos of this keychain, you can visit my website at crochetstrands.com. It's a fantastic resource to use alongside this video, making it even easier for you to crochet along. So be sure to check it out. Let's just finish up by positioning the leaf nicely. Let's attach this lovely leaf to our rosebud. Your precious bud rose keychain is all done. That's everything I wanted to share in this video tutorial. I really hope this video tutorial was helpful and inspiring for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. Until our next crochet adventure, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your crafty friends and family. Join our crochet community today. Bye for now.